So this is Article 14 of the Constitution, which is qualifications of the Tribal Council representatives and Executive Committee officers. This here, and it's just one paragraph that reads, any person elected as Tribal Council representative or as an Executive Committee office must be a member of the Oglala Sioux Tribe, be at least 30 years of age at the time of the election, and must reside within the exterior boundaries of the Pine Ridge Indian Reservation as defined in Article 1. So that's what our current Constitution reads. Some input from the community that I have heard was moving that age limit to 25 years of age. And then also creating more qualifications, such as maybe educational requirement, either it being an AA, a 4-year degree, or even considering some experience, either their years of experience in a public office or longevity at a job, something like that. So those are just examples of some including some amendments of further qualifications for Tribal Council and the Executive Committee. So with that, we'll be moving on to Article 15.